Be, monkey ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi gusto mo kasi yung banana ko eh. Hello mga amigos, welcome back to my channel where fun and adventure is just a click away. For those who are new in my channel, I am Gara, ang imong bisayang amigo o karong adlawa mga amigo no, nataron sa Jollibee. So we're just done eating our breakfast and I will be touring you to one of the waterfalls in Santa Catalina, which is one of the municipalities here in Negros Oriental, and I am with someone. I am with someone. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, no, this is nagpagwapo siya kaya ako siya ipakita sa video. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I am so honored and proud to present to you my company for today's vlog. Ladies and gentlemen, my ultimate crush. Naniniwala na ako sa forever. Magmula nung nakilala. So how does it feel, sir? May tabogin nga ako na masigyaw yun sa itong vlog, but I am hoping that eventually he will learn how to communicate with all of you, but I'm pretty sure he'll get used to it, no? Pero karong mga panahon, since this is his first time, just please bear with us, and we are actually fixing the food on the table. So I guess we're all set and we're gonna go travel and discover the falls of Santa Catalina. And we're here in Starbucks. It's actually located here in Santa Catalina. As what you can see around, there are lots of flowers. That's why this is called Kabulakan. They have also artificial flowers that they're creating, just like this one. So this is made of plastic bottles. So they are actually reusing the trashes, so they may be able to make it as a creative decoration in their place. So again, welcome to Kabulakan, Santa Catalina. So karon kami nag-inom na pod mi ang ginatawag nga buko juice. Kumusta ang buko juice, sir? Ang say flavor, sir?
Strawberry.
Imo strawberry, sir, ako kay double dutch. 1, 2, 3.
Manong Rosila. Kumusta ang sabaw tinulad?
Tanikit. Tanikit.
Wow! Oh.
Shrap. How's everything?
Mama.
I love you, baby. I love you.
One eternity later.
Right now, we're here in the dalan padulong sa Mantabios waterfall. So, pag mori mo diri, if you have any time to come here, kanara siya basihan ninyong bridge. So bridge, and then mga few meters makita ninyo ni siya nga tarpaulin, which is the Mantabios, and then you're gonna take this way here, and it's gonna take how many minutes?
2 minutes.
It's very near, kay 2 minutes lang siya. So this way is to Mantabios waterfall. So karon na namin diri sa entrance part of Mantabios waterfalls here in Obat, Santa Catalina, and yeah, we're entering now. Hi, miss. Hello. Of course, part of the ITF protocol, the guests should be writing their names, address, and contact number, which is happening now right here. Now siya level there. I'm so excited because I didn't know that naaday mga waterfalls dere sa Santa Catalina. Waterfalls is really a big part of our nature, especially most of the waterfalls are found in the middle of the forest, just like this one. So bisag init kayo si mother son, the feels right here is a little bit cold. Sir, thank you kayo, sir. Hey, sir. So before going to the waterfalls, you're gonna be taking this little bridge. This one. And that is the view right from this bridge. Okay. One, two, three, go! Paano sa kanan sa taas, so that we'll be able to see the view from the top. And lisod maning kwansa, lisod pero tanaw, it's the view. Diba? It feels so romantic here. Yeah. Hello, mate. Hello mga amigos, so right now we are approaching to the monkey sanctuary here in Santa Catalina as well. It is just like meters away from the waterfalls. So before you're gonna be entering the monkey sanctuary, you're gonna be taking this hanging bridge, okay? And the place is so nice, look at that. I'm gonna give you a 360 view of it. I am still with my guest for today. Oh my god, look at that. There are monkeys. Hello. Hello little one. You say hi to my vlog. You say please subscribe to my channel. How's your stay here? How's been life so far? Hello? Yeah, good job. What are you doing here? Hey, little monkey. What is your name? What is your...
Naniniwala na ako sa forever magmula nung nakilala kita.
Ay, kaluha. Ala, kaluha sila. Pero oh.
Wapo ang video. Be, monkey ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi gusto mo kasi yung banana ko eh.
Ikaw pa rin pala.
Be, monkey ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi kapit na kapit ka kasi sa puso ko eh.
Magagawa
Be, Be,
Unsa?
monkey ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi mahal kita, monkey sino ka man.